Hello, hello. Yes, yes. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Mark. My name is Mark. Pleased to meet you. Please to meet you. Okay? Thank you. Okay? Thank you. How are doing? How are you doing? I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor. I forget it. How are you? I forget it. How are you? I'm well. Thanks. And you? I'm well. Thanks. And you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm Spanish. I'm Spanish. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live near Laboratory Square. I near Laboratory Square. I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 25. I'm 25. Do you have English? Do you have English? Why not? Of course. Why not? Of course. Do you Spanish? Do you Spanish? Yes, I'm Spanish. Yes, a little bit. A little bit. Bye. Bye. Please subscribe our channel.